Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through some measures to reduce the road accidents, guys. So how you can reduce the road accidents by following some things. So there are four major steps which you can say. So the first is nothing but legislation measures, enforcement measures, educational measures, and propaganda. Okay, yes. So legislation measures. So legislation is nothing but, in simple words, you can say some rules and regulations which should be followed. That's it. Okay, those are nothing but the legislation measures. Okay, legislation measures to stipulate age limit to drivers. So basically a condition or a rule or a policy or a legislation to make that a age limit for driving. So it is 18, right? So nowadays I think so, right? Yes. Okay, so to introduce a fine and imprisonment etc for the driving carelessness. So basically if you are driving carelessly, you will be given a fine or imposement, so you need to go to jail and all those things. Okay, and the next is nothing but to impose a fine for a drunken drive. Okay, to provide uniform road signs throughout the country and provide for penalties for not disobeying the same. So basically if there is any place where there are some particular signs, so those should be uniform in their whole country, state or place. So only then you can say that those are a good ones, right? Yes. So to lay down rules for parking of vehicles. So basically you should follow the rules of the parking vehicles to control loading and unloading of goods on the side of the roads. So basically you can load and unload, but you should not do those things on the road, guys, because you are going to cause a huge congestion for that particular area for that particular time when you are loading or unloading your goods, right? Yes. To impose fine for overspeed. So if you are riding your vehicle in an overspeed, there will be a fine for it. To make a third party insurance compulsory. So basically your vehicle insurance and your insurance should be mandatory. Okay, so to prescribe a minimum standard of a design of vehicle. So basically the design of vehicle should be proper and it should be mandatory. Similarly the last is nothing but to prescribe minimum standards of a maintenance of the vehicle and inspection of the vehicle should be done. Okay, yes, because a vehicle inspection, servicing and all those things are mandatory, guys, because it is for your safety, right? Yes. So the next is nothing but enforcement measures. So enforcement of safety rules are in hands of the police department and transportation authorities. Okay, so enforcement measures are some kind of rules, you can say, or some kind of testing things. So the transport authorities should be strict in testing and issuing licenses. So basically whenever you are getting a license, you should go to the test of a driving test. You need to have the written exam, then you need to go for the original practical exam, you can say. Okay, so then you will be getting the license in that way. So even the driver who is passed the last should be kept under the supervision. So basically if some user has passed the test, again after some years a test should be reconducted, or again you should observe him carefully whether there is misfollowing any rules or regulations, and all those things you should check. Okay, so the police people should go to different locations to check whether the traffic rules are being followed or not and enforce the rules to the public for their safety. Okay, so that is nothing but the enforcement measures, you can say. Okay, similarly the next is nothing but the educational measures. Okay, so basically education is nothing but one of the most important thing, right? Yes, so you should have a clear idea about each and every rule and why you are following it also, because without the knowing of why you are following it, you may not follow it most of the situations, guys, because only when you are scared for something you will be following it, right? Yes, so in the same way education is really important. So it is very important to educate the road users about the road safety. So school children who are more liable for accidents should be given necessary training and education in school regarding their safety aspects. So even in schools you should have, and even now we are having due to this reason only, guys, because we need to be educated with all the things. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us continue. So the last type is nothing but propaganda. So in simple words, it is a tool, guys, you can say. So propaganda is a powerful tool in a road safety campaign. Some of propaganda measures are, so these are some kind of campaigns, you can say. So poster campaign you should do. Similarly campaign in a local press, short film in television, broadcasting, radio, and some kind of things. So basically here you will be shooting a film or something, so that you are showing that you know something and you are educating others. So that concept is nothing but propaganda, guys. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got some basic idea about the four different methods or measures using which you can reduce this, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about the cost of a road accident. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.